If you are over 60 and flying soon, there are airport perks you are legally allowed to use that most travelers never even hear about. And the difference between knowing these and not knowing them could mean skipping long lines, getting better seats, and saving hundreds of dollars every single trip. But here's the problem. Most people never use them because they simply don't know what to ask for. So before your next flight, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone you travel with. Because what you're about to learn can completely change your airport experience. Let's start with something most people overlook. The first perk sounds simple, but it can completely transform how you move through an airport. You can request wheelchair assistance, even if you can walk. And before you dismiss this is something I always recommend to travelers who want to reduce stress and conserve energy. Airports are physically demanding: long walks, heavy bags, crowded terminals. If any part of that feels uncomfortable, you qualify. And here's what most people don't realize. When you request this, you're often escorted through security faster, guided directly to your gate, and you board before most passengers on the plane. One traveler told me they avoided a nearly 25-minute walk through a terminal just by asking for this, and the airline pays for it, which is exactly why they don't go out of their way to tell you. Now the next one is where things get even easier. If you're 75 or older, airport security becomes a completely different experience. You can keep your shoes on. You can keep your light jacket on. No extra application, no fee. But here's the part most people don't take advantage of. TSA agents often have flexibility in how they guide passengers through lines. If you politely mention your age when you approach, you're often directed toward a smoother, less stressful process. And in a second, I'm going to show you the one perk that can actually help you get better seats without paying for them. But first, this is where most travelers overpay without realizing it. Many airlines quietly offer senior fares for travelers 65 and older, but they bury them so deeply that you'll almost never find them online. And this is where a simple shift makes a huge difference. Instead of searching endlessly online, call the airline and say you want to book a senior fare for passengers 65 and older. That specific phrasing changes everything. Agents often have access to rates you won't see on any website, and this one small step can save you money on every single trip. Quick tip: if you want a simple checklist of these perks so you don't forget them when you're actually at the airport, I've put together a free guide below. It's the exact system I recommend for making travel smoother and less stressful. Now, this next one is something most people never ask for, but it's incredibly powerful. You can request priority boarding simply by asking for extra time due to mobility needs. And this isn't about exaggerating anything. Boarding a plane, lifting bags, navigating tight aisles. It's physically demanding. Airline staff understand that. When you ask calmly and clearly, you're often allowed to board early, secure overhead space, and settle in without pressure. And now, this is where things get really interesting. Because this next one is the closest thing to a loophole airlines won't openly admit exists. You can sometimes get better seats just by asking the right way, not by demanding, not by complaining, but by explaining real comfort needs. If sitting in a cramped seat causes discomfort, or you need aisle access or extra space to move, gate agents often have flexibility to move you into better seating when available. I've seen travelers get upgraded to more comfortable seats simply because they communicated clearly and politely. And this is actually one of the strategies we break down step by step inside Passport Pending for travelers who want a better experience without paying premium prices. Now let's talk about something that can save you even more money: baggage fees. If you're a senior and also a veteran, many airlines waive baggage fees entirely. And even beyond that, medical equipment flies free. That includes CPAP machines, medication bags, and other health-related items. Most people don't realize how broad this category actually is. And every time you don't mention it, you could be paying for something you don't have to. Now, the last one is something even frequent travelers miss: airport lounges. Most people assume you need business class or expensive memberships. But that's not always true if you have a medical need a quiet space, or are dealing with delays. You can often request lounge access as an accommodation, and during delays, this can also unlock meal vouchers, better assistance, and faster support. Now here's the biggest takeaway from everything you've heard. These perks are not rare. They're not special treatment. They're available. But airlines rely on one thing: most people not knowing to ask. And the difference between a stressful travel day and a smooth one often comes down to a single conversation. So here's what I want you to do before your next flight. When you book, ask about assistance. Before your trip, call and ask about senior fares. At the airport, ask what accommodations are available, because once you start asking, everything changes. And if you want to make every part of travel easier, not just the airport, I've linked my full system below, where I walk you through exactly how to save money, avoid common mistakes, and travel smarter every single time. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone you travel with. And tell me in the comments, which of these surprised you the most? Because chances are, the one you didn't know is the one that could save you the most.